Bel Mariano is a yappy girl daw mga kaibigan. Cash Ma'am Char and Bel Mariano holding hands is what I'm living for. Besides yan, Hayati Kaya, Bel Mariano's block screening for Ma'am Char's movie. Oh, may pa-black screening pala si Bel Mariano sa movie ni Miss Char Santos kasama si Dingdong Dantes dito mga kaibigan. More updates of Bel Mariano. Ano na ang update? May you find a love like Don Bell, effortless in the way it flows, intentional in the way it stays, someone who chooses you in the little things every single day. And because the best kind of love doesn't just happen, it's felt in every moment.
He's the type of guy who likes writing letters.
You're kidding.
Yeah, he sends flowers.
Nabigyan ka na ng love letter.
Tony has like, pag nag-shoot kami nung double solar line, nag-shoot siya ng letter sa ilalim ng door. Oh my God, that's so
How are you when you're with her?
I'm just myself, really.
Are you happier when you're with her?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Yeah, he's always there. Like, he's gonna check up on me whenever I do a big scene. Kasi nakikita niya yan sa sequence guide. Kung gagawin ko pa, kunyari may breakdown scene ba akong gagawin, iiyak ba, may big scene bang gagawin si Caroline. Makikita ko na lang may message siya sa akin, magte-text, oh, kamusta, how's your scene? Or he's gonna call. Kunyari, magkaiba kami ng unit. So, thank you. Thank you for checking up on me. I'm grateful that I have him in my life.
Wala, uwian na!
So grabe ang compilation na itong ginawa ni Lara How to Spot a Red Flag mga kaibigan. Talagang kinuha niya lahat ng compilations ni Bel Mariano and Donnie Pangilinan from then until these days. Trisha Ann Fond ang sabi, bashers, fan service lang naman ang Don Bell. Ang Bubblies ang sabi, sorry, ito lang po ang alam naming fan service. Don Bell is saying, ha, fan service? Bakit kami umabot ng 5 years? Max 6 years na pala. So let's watch this video clip ng isang Trisha Ann Fronda, yes. Sa mga oras na ito, let's go and watch her TikTok files. So, grabe naman po kung fan service lang ito. Lahat ano ba? Kayo bulag or may sira sa mata or ulo ninyo. Sabi, so in love daw si Donnie and Belle. Kung kaya nga po, nung galing sila ng Thailand yata. Yes, at nang bumalik, meron na silang parehong bracelet at meron na silang ring. Nako, nagbalik sigla po ang Don Bell na minsan ay talagang may doubts doon kay Donnie and Belle Mariano. Kung kaya na-ship tuloy si Belle kay River Young, mga kaibigan. Pero ang sabi ng lahat, no. Don Bell pa rin kami. Bubblies pa rin kami at mananatili kaming bubblies dahil nakikita daw nila itong spark na meron si Donnie and Belle Mariano at hindi fan service ang mga nangyayari dahil sa sobrang gentleman ni Donnie ay nahuhulog syempre ang loob ng isang Belle Mariano. Sino ba naman? Bato ka na kung hindi ka mafo-fall sa mga pinapakitang kabaitan at yung thoughtfulness ng isang Donnie Pangilinan. Napaka-gentleman all the time at iniingatan ng isang Belle Mariano. So yes, yan po ang talagang lumabas sa araw na ito. At sabi dito ng Milkita, people may have a lot to say, but I'm doing it anyway. Plus, it's extra kilig because it's their 4th to 5th year together, celebrating each other's birthday. Ooh, do you do or you do you lovers? At ito, ipinost niya dito itong picture ni Belle Mariano having a good time sa bar with the rest of her friends. Look like a bar, look like I don't know where was that. Pero yes, talagang nag-enjoy sila kasama ang kanilang mga kaibigan as a family and close friends ni Belle Mariano. And talagang naging DJ pa si Donnie Pangilinan para sa kanyang Tinkerbell that time. Just to give that special moment and made her dance like twerk and all of those sobrang sayang event na talagang makikita mo. Belle was really having that good time, mga kaibigan. So yes. Yan po ang ating pa-update on Belle Mariano from giving a block screening sa movie ni Miss Char Santos and Ding Dong Dantes. Ay ito at talagang proud na ibinahagi ng mga taga-followers niya ang mga clips na kung saan ipinakita nila dito na what happened between Belle Mariano was not a fan service but a real happiness, having each other, watching each other's back, and then yes, supporting each other no matter what. This is Alexander Lexter Jules. Yan po ang ating update on Belle Mariano sa mga oras na ito and Donnie Pangilinan. I will see you later for more. Magandang gabi.